In the presentation, myself and another lady spoke about what we'd written in our expert witness reports. We were questioned by probably about 6 or 7 different Assembly members on different areas. They were sectioned up between different areas that we'd already mentioned. Our reports were quite similar already. We'd been covering STEM information and about youth entrepreneurship and about engagement with the public sector. So our reports were quite similar, so we were able to answer together on most of the questions that we were asked. It's been a really useful process because until now, I was of the opinion that it was going to be very much more similar to a court hearing where it's very much cross-examination. This process was much more inquisitive, and it was about asking us our opinions and about our experiences, so it was not nearly as daunting as I'd first expected it to be. It has definitely made me feel like I want to be more engaged with the Assembly, because previously I had assumed that myself as a micro company and myself as an individual would probably not be heard, or where did I go to, where should I start talking to people to get my points across. But now I realise engagement with the National Assembly is much easier, and that actually they are desperate for information from people, and it's not so much of a daunting process. Advice that I would give to other women if they want to get engaged with the Assembly is to actually get in touch with the Assembly. There's a lot of information on the website, which I had been unknown to before. There's a lot of information, and just contact the clerks and say, if you've got something to say, then don't feel that you wouldn't be heard, and actually try and engage with them, or go through external companies such as Chwarae Teg, or through networks such as Group Network. They're all partly to do with it, or they might be able to help with the engagement with the Assembly, but certainly don't be afraid to get in touch.